Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and today I'm also filming my monthly Ipsy Glam box unboxing. So this one, normally I like take a little peek. Y'all, this is like a real live unboxing because as you can see, it ain't open. I actually have my scissors here so that I can open it up for the first time and see what it is. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because if you like these, I do these every single month. And yeah, I would appreciate the love and support. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So y'all know last month I had like to do, I think I did the last one that just went up. I think that I did October, November. I think that's what it was because I be getting backed up. But y'all, just open this one up. This is what we have. And okay, so y'all know I'm always going off about the info card. This is what came in it. And let's see if we have any information. So it's not information on the products, it's just like a little newsletter type situation. All right, so let's do away with that. And okay, so this is just a regular box. So it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here. These are the 5 items that we have. And so yeah, I'll do these two at the same time. So this one I ain't gonna hold on. This ain't gonna be no long video. This is gonna be short and sweet. So the first item that I have is by Makeup of the Day Cosmetics, and it has a set of 5 brushes, which I think is cute. I like the packaging. We have Blending, Bestie, Pigment Packer, Eye Catching Crease, Brow Chicka Wow, and I'm thinking this is a no fudge, just a smudge brush. So that's what, these are the items that we got in here. The next item is another set of brushes. So I think, wait a minute. So I think I selected this. I selected one of these to come in the box. So these are by Ace Beauty, and I just get 3. These are obviously face brushes. That's what they look like. Yeah, and it's only 3 in here. But y'all, for some reason, I do not mind getting new brushes. Like, I actually need to go through my brushes, take out the old ones, the crusty looking ones. I have some that have like the bar part is like broken. Like, I need to let that go and just use all of my new ones. So I got, the next product is from Il Makiage. The brand's Il Makiage. I know you guys have seen them with all the ads and stuff, probably on your social media pages. I've seen them talk about their base foundation and concealer, but I've never seen them talk about this is a Color Boss, it's called the Color Boss Squad, and it's a multi-dimensional eye color quad palette. Let me open it and see what we got here. Can I open it? And it's in the colors Trendsetter number 995. Oh, this is really pretty. Y'all, I need to clean out my makeup because this is so pretty. Oh my god. Look at this. I don't like a shimmer, but these are pretty. And you know, I'm a sucker for, and the mirror is just amazing. I am a sucker for a pretty packaging. So this is pretty. Baby, I'm filming.
The reindeer is running to the jingle.
Okay, can you go back so I can finish filming this video? Okay, y'all, my son is in here and he's playing with his cars. Okay, now he's running out. See you later, baby. Are you gonna close the door? Okay. So the next item that I have,
Reindeer.
It's by the brand Nip.
Mommy, I have to get my got.
I see.
have to get all 2 cars.
I see, Matthias. Can you go? You have to be quiet, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ready, set.
No. All right. So the next product that we got, well, that I got, is the Nip Plus. It's by the brand Nip Plus Fab, and it is the Retinol Fix Blemish Gel Treatment with 10%, and it's like I guess it's an imperfection gel, like I have like a bump right here coming. I think it's just to help you get rid of those blemishes faster. Let me see what the actual product looks like. Okay. Yep. This is it's called a retinol fix. This is what it looks like. I'm assuming it's a gel. Yep, and this is what the product looks like. Can you even see that? You can see it. It's on my thumb right there. But it's definitely clear. And it has a little bit of stickiness to it. But you can tell, like, it's definitely giving, like, you would, like, rub, like, dot, like, a little bit on your imperfections and it would clear up. Okay, so I can work with that. I can work with that. And then the last product that I got is the JLo Beauty That Hit Single Gel Cream Cleanser. So this is the product. Y'all, this is pretty. Like, it says it will brighten, refine, and soothe, and you massage it over your face, eyes, and neck. And you can use it every morning and night. And I think that this is a gorgeous packaging. Like, imagine it just sitting on your counter. Like, that's so pretty. I have so many products now, y'all, that I really need to go through them so that I can clean them out. Like, because it's getting to be a bit ridiculous. It really, really is. But, okay, so those are all the products that I got in my Ipsy Glam box for the month of December. It literally just came on, I think, December the 7th. So, yeah, if you are interested in seeing videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will continue to do them. And please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, everyone. I would really appreciate the love and support. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.